Hi guys, Villages Nature, aqua mundo, October 2025, Centre Parcs, Villages Nature. Been told these wild rapids that was meant to be opening soon has been put on hold due to the contractor possibly going bust. You can see there's a lot of overgrowth and a lot of weeds and stuff. Possibly gonna get a new contractor in to complete it, but the current one is obviously gone bust at the moment, so got no further update at the moment. We'll find out a bit later on, see what's going on, but as you can see the work has halted.